I'm scared. I'm literally scared. Oh my god. I'm gonna start crying now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruby and thank you so much for watching this video. Well, I'm shooting this video for the second time because you know me. Okay, let's start with this week's video. Well, I'm in my favorite hoodie. You might know this already, but I'm in love with this. I don't know, it looks cute. So, coming up to this week's video, well, little life update. This last few weeks has been little like going crazy because my college were open and I started a class also. So everything is just my schedule was so full packed that I couldn't get time just sit and film a video. But here we are. So forget all of that and let's get started. One day you leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. I love this song, oh my god. It's crazily running in my mind since 2 days. So cute, I like it. And it made me sad also, like why do I like this kind of song which made me overthink about the things that I haven't done in my life yet. Like I want to do so many things and I feel like life is too short. I'm wasting my time. What the fuck? And then I have to do it through. Stop overthinking. Yeah, here we go again. So I want to be honest with you. Like I want to be honest on my channel, of course. That you know what? Right now, something is happening in my life that I have been dreaming since like since forever. Like this is something I really wanted to do since so long. I would say since childhood. I don't know. Like seriously, this was like my big dream, and it's like it's going to happen somehow eventually. I don't know. I have that feeling, and I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, like this is really huge, really a big deal for me. And I don't know, like right now when it's happening, I feel like this is something that I really wanted. I always wanted this, but while this is happening right now, I'm having second thoughts. Like not about my dream, of course not. This is something I really want to do, but that what if I fail, or what if I'm wasting my parents' money, and what if I'm not capable of doing everything. I am having self-doubt right now. I know it's not a good thing to constantly self-doubting yourself, but like seriously, from last few weeks it's been going crazy in my mind that what if you don't get there where you dreamed yourself. And I know it's not a good self-talk. You should be believe in yourself. You should think that it will happen. Whatever you think, it will happen. And then I realized that this is not something I want to tell myself, that you can't do this. This is a negative talk, and I just stop myself right there and remind myself all the things that I dreamed and I achieved. Even like my YouTube channel, I always dreamed of having a YouTube channel, and now I started one, and now I'm having more than 300 subscribers, which is a big deal for me. So yeah, like people are liking my content. So like there are so many things that I'm proud of myself, and which I think that I will and I'm doing right now. But this is like what I'm talking about is a really big thing, and I'm scared. I'm literally scared that what if I fail? What if I just don't end up getting in that? And oh my god, like I don't know, this video is I just wanted to take this all out, because otherwise I'll be, overthinking about this a lot, a lot. I even thought of talking with my friend, but I even talked, but I don't know. I feel like they won't understand, and they're like, I don't know. This is like a second, that कहते हैं ना, like second phase, like my second phase, like my whole life is gonna change, my new phase of life will start. Yeah, like so many things is happening, and so many things is running in my mind right now, and that's why my schedule is hectic, and I'm in my last year of college, so I want to focus on that also, and it's literally just all around the place. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with all of this. And I want to be constant on my YouTube also. Like, consistency is the key, and I know that. And I want to upload every single week. I don't want to lose anything. I want to do everything. Oh my god. And that what scares me, that what if I end up doing nothing. And this is the time, like my age, like I'm 19 right now, and I want to be 19 again. I want to do so many things, and I don't want, I don't want to feel regret, after 5 years or after 2 years, that you should take that chance, and you had the opportunity, you had the chance, and you missed it, and you failed, and like everyone was supporting you, everything was on your side, still you didn't, able to do that, and that would kill me, seriously. Like, oh, not a bad sense, but like, I mean, it would made me feel guilty about myself. So yeah, I don't know if this is even making sense to you all, because this is something I will say what I'm talking about, but it's a big deal, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna talk about that right now, but this is something that's gonna change everything, and I'm worried, so worried. Oh my god, I'm gonna start crying. I'll start crying, oh my god. This, I never thought I'm gonna be open up on my YouTube, but yeah, I feel you should also know about this, that I'm going through something, and this is nothing that I ever felt. This is new. This is exciting, but it as well as making me nervous. So yeah, I just want to say, if you're going through same in your life, similar phase, you know what, this is something that I want to say to myself also, so I'm saying this here on this platform, that you know what, it's okay, everyone feels the same way on any, on any part of their life, like everyone go through that phase while they, go out of their comfort zone, and they feel this kind of, feelings. They are worried, they are scared, they have new opportunities, they are excited, but as well as, that, they have that thinking, that, and in the back of their mind, that, what if I fail. But you know what, how would you know that you won't fail if you don't even try? So yeah, I just want to say to myself also that, Dhruvi, just try and believe in yourself. You have so much in you, and you know that everything that you ever dreamed of, you have that capability of doing everything. You have that, you have that confidence. Just be confident in yourself and go for it. Give your 100%, and फिर जो होगा देखा जाएगा. At least you can say that you give your best, and yeah, then जस्ट छोड़ दो यूनिवर्स पे, जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा. So I want to say you the same, that believe in yourself, be confident, and please do not quit. Oh my god, this is so important. Do not quit. everyone have second thoughts, but it's not that you are only going through something. Everyone is going through so many things in their life, so we are all on the same page. Just believe in your dreams and just go for it. And yeah, like I am not always that, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Ruhi, thanks so much for watching this video. I'm not that. Oh my god. I don't know. Who am I? I have different personalities on different, I don't know, situations. Oh god, I feel much better after taking this all out. I wanted to say this to someone. So yeah, I hope if you're going through something like this, I hope this video helps, and yeah, have a good day. I hope for the best, and I hope anything that you are dreaming of, making your parents proud or making yourself proud, or everything that you dreamed of will come true and you will be succeed. And you feel proud of yourself after some years that you didn't quit and you stood there and you keep going. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna end today's video. And oh my god, this is so emotional. I wanna hug you. Virtual hug. So yeah, sending you all the good vibes and good wishes to your future, to your goals, and yeah, just go for it. So bye, see you next time. Subscribe ना किया हो तो कर देना, and please press the bell button. Okay, bye.